Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and today we are going to do our Truckin' Tuesday, and we have the latest M2 Dodge Power Wagon auto hauler set to take a look at. This is the second auto hauler set they've done with a Dodge Power Wagon and Adventure. Well, this one doesn't have the Adventure. The first one had the Power Wagon and the Adventure. This one has the Power Wagon and a Cuda. And anyways, the first one is this set here that I'm talking about. We did an unboxing on it before. So there's your truck, and there is the show truck. So anyways, not sure like where they came up with this color combo, because it does not correspond with one another in any way, shape, or form. So not really sure who came up with the plan to match these two together. But it is still a cool set. Just the colors doesn't really correspond. And the new set is this set here. And it does correspond pretty well together. The truck, the trailer, and the car inside the trailer. It's all color coordinated. Actually, that truck would look very good with that truck. They're a little bit different if you get them out and look at them. This one is like a base coat, clear coat purple. This one is probably also a base coat, clear coat, but it has metal flake in it. It's a lot more metallic than that one is, but the shade and the color is almost the same, and the paint scheme is almost identical. The hoods are painted up the same. The hoods are the same. The tail stripe is a little different. On this 4x4, it's kind of diagonal, and it goes down to the rocker panel where the rockers are black, and this one just has the wraparound stripe like the old Charger Super Bs were noted for, especially the Super Bs, especially with the way this one is, with the logo in the center. That's kind of like the Super B did back in the late 60s. So cool paint scheme on this one. Now, this set here, I actually knew this was going to happen. I kept saying my Walmart's never going to get these. They're never going to get them. And I was right about that. So I ordered one on eBay, and I actually got it for a good deal. They were auctioning it, and I got it in the auction for, I think it was like $13.50 or $13.75. It was a little less than $14 with $10 shipping. So it wasn't a bad price. Like $23 shipped. And with tax, it came out to maybe like 25. But anyways, not much more than you would have paid at Walmart. Walmart, I think, is $18.94 or $18.97 plus tax. So like $20, $21. So I only paid $4 more to get this guy. So not bad at all. But I was right about my Walmart not getting them. But one of the Walmarts near my doctor had gotten these like 2 weeks after I bought this set. And anyway, so I bought another set, and I ended up taking it out of the box already. And this set, I'll just leave box so I can go ahead and display it with that set. And actually, the extra truck that I have may go in this box because it would look fantastic with that truck behind it. I think it would look much better than the green one in there. The green one I like, don't get me wrong. But I think another purple Power Wagon would look better up there. So that may occur here in the near future. And the truck that I got, and the Cuda, I took out of the trailer. So we don't have to really do an unboxing on the set. One set is already unboxed. I just don't have the trailer, but the trailer you can already see. It's nice. It has the Hellcat SRT on it, and we're still going to take this out of the box because I want to show you that dirty little secret or error that M2 messed up on. And I don't think it's anything to do with QC. I think it's their design team screwed up big time. You have this Hellcat SRT and so forth, and Hellcat on the truck, SRT on the truck, and the Hellcat SRT on the Cuda. Well, the set I'm going to take out of the box, and as usual, if you just pull that sticker on the edge, it peels right off, and you don't really have to worry about it tearing the picture, or not the picture, but the paper on the box. It won't do it if it's a newer set, because the boxes are actually made very nice with a high gloss finish, and they just don't tear too easy with the adhesive of the sticker, which is nice. Especially if you're buying these like from somewhere that puts price tags on them and such. So we slipped it out of the box, and I'll give you the spin around in the box, which is really nothing special. As I said, on the backside, same thing as everywhere else. The SRT Hellcat, every end of the box. That's all it is. On the bottom, same thing. It's there, but it has licensing and choking hazard warnings, and your UPC code, and where to find M2 online, and so forth. So, no need to waste time on that. So, we already have a set open here. And I didn't really do that for the video. The trailer, I'm not sure where it's at right now. So, yeah, that's why I didn't bring the loose trailer out. But we'll look at this one. So anyways, here you have your SRT trailer, and the door is halfway open with the Cuda's back end sticking out. The Cuda is screwed down inside the trailer, so that takes a lot of time. That's another reason why it's nice to have a set unboxed, and so forth. Now, the little secret that I wanted to tell you about, or error, flaw by their design team, is the fact that these trucks are not powered by a Hellcat engine. They still have the stock 360 or 440, whatever came in them. And they're making you think, I'm not sure if the SEMA truck, I got one coming, I'm going to have to open it up and check it out and see. Because you would assume that it would have had the supercharged Hellcat Hemi in it, but it doesn't. With all the bells and whistles on the outside, nothing on the inside. This is just for aesthetics only. So it has nothing to do with SRT or Hellcat, except for the modified hood and such, and the emblems. That's it. It's all aesthetics. It's still got the 360 or 440 or even a 318 it may have been. And I thought maybe, just by chance, this was a little error from the factory. So, these two trucks are from two totally different batches, from two different parts of the country. This set came from California, a store in California. This set came from a store in West Virginia. So, I was like, well, maybe it's just mine from West Virginia. And I opened this, and voila. You just have an old wedge-style engine in there, a 440, 318, 360, whatever it may be, with a 4-barrel carburetor with the blue snorkel air cleaner. So, nothing too great there. And then this Cuda, being from the Driver's Series, and you can tell that because there's no opening doors. The hoods are always cut out like they open, but these, I do not believe, open at all. So I used to have something here to try to pop it open, but I can tell you now, the driver hoods never open. So this may have, well, you can imagine that it has the supercharged Hemi in it from a Hellcat, but I'm wondering now, like, if to believe it or not. But since the hood doesn't open on this one, yeah, you can imagine that it does. But since the hood opens in the truck and it's not in there, that's a big disappointment. Although I don't display my trucks with the hoods open, so it doesn't really matter. So anyways, yeah, this is it. The car that's in the trailer, it looks really good. It looks great with these split 5-spoke wheels. Skinnies in the front, fat ones in the back. That Pro Street look. And the matching SRT paint job to correspond with the tow vehicle, the truck, looks really good. So you got an original style shaker hood and your fender gills there with a Hellcat emblem right underneath them. The iconic double headlights of the 71 with that really cool grille. And then 1971 plates, nice detailed emblems on the back and detailed tail lights. The bumpers are done in a matte black and such. Honestly, I would have rather have seen a bone stock like 340 or even 440 or Hemi 71 Cuda in the back of this trailer in Plum Crazy, and had a matching Power Wagon like just in Plum Crazy, kind of conservative like the green one in the other set. And then this truck would have been great with that Pro Touring truck on the trailer of that other set. That's just my opinion. Or they could have done the green one with this Cuda and done the Cuda stock. The only reason I say that is because, like, a couple of people have even commented on my post in IG and Facebook, and maybe even the videos too, that they're getting burnt out on the Coca-Cola and SRT stuff. I'm especially getting burnt out on the Coca-Cola, Mellow Yellow, Mr. Pibb, all of that stuff. I'm getting really spent on that. The SRT stuff, I can deal with that because that's Dodge. That is a factory paint scheme on the modern stuff, and it looks good on the old stuff for the resto mods and such. But it's nice to see stock ones roll out every now and then too, instead of always seeing the resto mods. I like seeing the stock 60s and 70s muscle too. But the SRT stuff I can cope with much better than the Coca-Cola stuff. That's why I did what I did in the video the other day with the tampo removal on the new Coca-Cola Power Wagon. And coming soon, I will do a video with the step-by-step procedure visually done on tampo removal. Instead of just telling you guys, I just had some issues with the disassembly of that truck. Things kept falling off that shouldn't have fell off, and the hood was tweaked. Couldn't get it to close good, so I just got frustrated and decided to just tell you guys how to do it and show you the material that I use. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching our Truckin' Tuesday, and let me know if you guys popped the hood on your SRT Power Wagon, and let me know if you happen to have a Hemi in one, or if they're also wedges. I'm sure that they're going to be these 360, 440 style engines. But anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of your week. We'll be back on Friday for a Free It Friday. Thanks for watching.